Alright guys, hey, this is Brian from VetteSource. Checking in tonight with another one of our Corvette parts that I'm going to be featuring here. This is, of course, yes, no, it's not a gray hockey stick that I'm featuring. This is in fact a new old stock Corvette part. Now if you're looking at this bewildered like, what are you talking about, you're crazy, I don't see how that's a part anywhere that would go on the car. I'm going to go ahead and fill you in here. So if you know Corvettes or you're a fan of Corvettes, Corvettes are built out of fiberglass. And no, they've never been metal. They've never been made out of paper, anything else. They've always been made out of good old glass reinforced plastic. That's exactly what these things are made out of. It was a novel technology at the time. I'm pretty sure that Dow introduced it to General Motors in 1953. So if one of your uncles or one of your buddies just swears up and down he's seen a metal Corvette, he's lying or is misinformed. Now, I will go into it later. I've got a video I'm going to come up with maybe in another couple days. The bottom of these cars is, in fact, metal. Okay, so there is a metal frame underneath here. Okay, everything underneath it's metal, and the cage that you sit in is metal as well. So I'm not meaning to say that the entire car is all made out of fiberglass, but everything body-wise on these cars, you can see right there, is a fiberglass. Now that's metal there, okay, the headlight housing. But everything else around it is fiberglass. So this piece here, now, and the thing about it is it's not all one piece of fiberglass all the way from the front to the back. These are individual sections. Now, even though this looks like it's actually one piece here, right? If I sanded off all this paint, what I would find underneath here is individual sections that have been joined together. So you've got what we call in the business, this would be an upper surround right here, and then you come down here and you've got your lower surround and your corners, okay? They're like jigsaw puzzle pieces that are glued together. And rather than just try to glue them together and see if they'll hold, what goes behind these are what's called these bonding strips, okay? Now, if you look real carefully at the construction of this, you're going to see this is, in fact, see those strands in there? That's a glass reinforced plastic. This is an earlier, or I should say it's a little bit later service replacement. Now, this is for 63 to 67s, okay? The glass in the 63, 64s is a white glass. And then in 64, 65 and above, they started to get this marbled look to them. And in fact, I think, let me turn this around so you can see it. There's your part number on this. This is a 384-9213. 384-9213. So this is, in fact, if you're imagining this hockey stick here, right? This fits in the car underneath that upper surround right through there and meets up into that corner. See that curve right there? So that's what this piece is for. Now, they do make reproductions of this and they sell this, but of course, for the guys that are restoring Corvettes, we're looking for these very original pieces because the newer ones have a different tint to them. They have a different consistency. The color is not exactly right. And if you chase new old stock parts like I do, you'll know originality is key. Now that doesn't mean I personally enjoy watching guys, trailer their cars and show them. That's perfect. But I like to drive my cars, but I do like to use original parts on them. So this is what purpose this serves. This has been on somebody's shelf for many, many years. I acquired it probably 10 years ago, and of course you can see on this car I don't need it because this car doesn't need any body work. So this one is available for sale. But it's just an interesting thing. Now, the other thing I didn't mention was this piece installed like this. Imagine that would be back there by your door and then coming forward, and this comes in towards where your headlights are at. And this is a passenger side, by the way. So what this does, this reinforces the two pieces of... Yeah, that is driver's side. I'm sorry. Passenger side. What this does, it provides a backing to reinforce the two fiberglass panels are going to be butted up together against this, and it's an extra way to reinforce and keep it strong. So when you look at it, it's quite interesting. Corvettes are almost built like a model, If any of you guys pull out your old Revell or Monogram model kits with a little bit of epoxy and putty, you're putting things together. This is very similar. It's just a bigger piece of equipment that you're working with. So this is a neat piece that I have. I just wanted to feature it and kind of go over some of the details of how this works. But I'm not going to bore you anymore with details. Like I said, definitely this one is available for sale. So if you have a need for it, give me a call. My name is Brian. My number is 832-654-7367. I've been selling Corvette parts for over 20 years. You can see I've got tons of stuff for sale, and this is just a line of work I enjoy doing. So let me know what you think. If you got anything or you need to contact me through the comment section below, you can do that as well. I appreciate everybody watching to the end, and I'll check back with you guys tomorrow. Thanks. See you then.